Good morning, students. How are you? The weekend is over, unfortunately, and today is Sunday, and we are starting our learning week again. All right, today is Sunday, the 31st of May, which is the last day of May, and tomorrow, the month of June will start. Okay, guys, I posted a schedule yesterday. It's the schedule we used before. Just please do and note that from this week we are starting at 8:45 every day. It's not 8 o'clock anymore, it's 8:45. And also every Thursday we will finish at 12 o'clock, and you will use those 2 additional hours afterwards to just catch up with your work, okay? All right, so that's the important announcement. And now I'm going to tell you what's going to be happening today. So you will start your day with the first lesson will be spelling. Let me just find the schedule. Yeah, it's spelling and handwriting. You'll be working on adverbs that have the suffix "ly", and you will go on to Unit 27 in handwriting. Please, guys, note that you have 1 week to submit your spelling, but please do try to submit it as early as possible. Guys, I am not going to be chasing you for your work. If you do not submit your work, simply that will reflect on your final mark of this half term. All right, so that's the first lesson. Second lesson, UAE Social Studies, Islamic, lesson 3 Arabic, lesson 4 Science. For those who have UAE Social Studies B today, I will post it on Dojo so you can access it. And as for science, we're going to be learning about sound. We're going to continue learning about sounds, about vibrations, about how quiet and loud sounds happen, how do we hear sounds, and how can sounds travel through things. And then your fifth lesson will be maths. In maths, it's a new topic. You're going to be learning about shapes. You're going to be learning about a pyramid and about its different faces and about different characteristics of a pyramid shape. So I do hope you enjoy that. I will also post the workbook practice pages for this week. Again, you have 1 week to submit. That means it should be there by Thursday. However, I am not going to be chasing you for your workbook practice. All right, and then the last lesson is PE. And that's your day done for today. Guys, I recommend, since your last lesson is PE, that we meet the lesson before PE, which is the 5th period when you should be having maths. So I'd say let's meet at 12:30 today, okay? So please be ready at 12:30 on Teams. I'll meet you there, okay? For the daily recap, and then you will have your PE lesson later on. All right, perfect. So that's it about the schedule. We had a quote on Thursday, which was, what weighs more, a pound of, let me see it, where is it? Which weighs more, a pound of, I can't find it, a pound of feathers or a pound of bricks? Yes. So basically, obviously, it says that a pound and a pound, okay, it doesn't matter what it's a pound of, it will always weigh the same. So the answer was they will weigh the same. I received 25 answers, which is great. Don't forget, I'm marking the morning register. You must react to this video in the morning at 8:45, between 8:45 to 9:45 for me to mark you as present. If you comment on it after that, that means you were basically not present in the first period, or you were not up, or you were not studying. Okay. I had a couple of answers where you said a pound of bricks will weigh more, which is not right. But as I said, I'm glad to see that no one was Googling and people were really thinking about it. But most of you said they both weigh the same. Or Miss, you already said yes. Kusai straight, you mean the same. Equal, same weight. Yes, all of you. All right, perfect. So your next quote, I took a picture of it. The quote for today that you have to answer in the comments is, what has a bottom at the top? Once again, what has a bottom on the top? Please write your answers in the comments below between 8:45 and 9:45 so I can mark you present in the morning. All right, perfect. So that's the riddle for today, and I would like to tell you an inspirational quote to start off your day. So the inspirational quote for today is, "You're braver than you believe, and stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think." Okay? So basically, guys, please never put yourselves down and never think of, oh, I'm not good enough for this, I can't do this and I can't do that. No, that's absolutely not the way you should think about yourself. Just because you failed in something last time doesn't mean you're going to fail again and you can never do it better. Okay? Always believe in yourself, always believe that you are braver than you believe, that you are stronger and smarter. Okay? So always think this way and you will see results in your work. All right, so that's it for this morning. See you on Teams, as I said, at 12:30, and good luck with your work today. See you.